Division 296 tax for 3 million plus funds. 6 mandatory sections. Asset valuations at market value. Auditor appointment deadline. Compliance mistakes to avoid. New penalty framework. Quality assurance solutions. Everything you need to know. Complete SMSF Annual Return Guide for 2025. Every critical point covered. Division 296 introduces a 15% additional tax on earnings from balances exceeding $3 million starting 2025-26. Tax applies to the percentage of earnings equal to the percentage of total balance exceeding the 3 million threshold. 4.1 million balance means 26.83% of earnings face additional tax. Pay from superfund or personal funds outside the system. Every SMSF completes 6 sections. A for fund information, C for deductions, D for tax, F or G for members, H for assets, and K for declarations. Section A needs the auditor registration number, tax file number, and ABN details. Choose F for standard or G for supplementary member reporting covering contributions and balances. Market value means the amount a willing buyer pays a willing seller. Dealing at arm's length after proper marketing. All assets valued at market value annually 30th of June, not old figures. Professional valuations recommended for property, collectibles, and unlisted investments. The auditor needs methodology, data sources, and assumptions for all valuations. Appoint an approved auditor 45 days before the return due date. Auditor must be ASIC-registered with an SMSF auditor number for your return. An auditor cannot hold financial interest or close relationships with members. Start early as auditors become busy during peak lodgement season. Reusing previous year valuations without current evidence immediately flagged by auditors. New trustees must sign declarations within 21 days of appointment. Personal use of assets breaches sole purpose test. Penalties up to 45% of fund value. Poor record's most common breach. 5 to 10 years retention is required. Exceeding 30,000 concessional or 120 non-concessional triggers excess tax. 330 for 28 days overdue. Maximum $1,650. 2 weeks overdue removes details from the lookup, locking contributions and rollovers. ATO signals faster escalation to trustee disqualification for persistent failures. Penalties affect compliance rating and future ATO attention. Professional practitioners implement quality management standards with systematic controls. Comprehensive verification covering mathematical accuracy, compliance requirements, and audit alignment. Maintain complete documentation for decisions, valuations, calculations, and compliance assessments. Standard business reporting through approved software ensures validation and error reduction. Professional process includes independent review, cross-checking calculations, and validating compliance requirements. Transparent communication on findings, required actions, and compliance recommendations. Time is running out. Your SMSF annual return is due 28th October. Don't risk penalties. Contact NCS Australia today for fast professional SMSF lodgements and secure your compliance before the deadline.